Okay, I'm in my 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, and it has 193,000 miles. Actually, but the motor blew up and it was replaced with one that had about 130,000 miles. Okay, as soon as I got it, it run fine the first day, and then for about a month straight, I was having to jump start it, jump the starter off, just it would just crank. And finally, it wouldn't crank one day, and I found the infamous reset button, and it cranked up. And anyways, replaced starter wire on it because the connection wasn't good. Fixed that. And it's run good for about a month and a half now, and all of a sudden it just won't, the transmission started slipping, and it won't go into reverse real good. I'm learning here from experience, but I'll tell you what, these things, well, are really good trucks. You just gotta, if you really wanna know how to troubleshoot one, you can ask me, because I have for about 3 months. I've been troubleshooting this thing almost on a daily basis, except for the last couple of months, and it started acting up a little bit again. So, anyways, again, this is a no start, no crank issue, and also transmission slipping when it wasn't slipping at all at first. So, anyways, I'm just saying. Right here is where I'll put my email down below, or you can subscribe, whatever it is you want to do to figure out. I can help you figure it out.